Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm sorry for filming at this late time. Currently it's 2 a.m. In my local time. So guys, I just wanted to give you a update how it's been in past 2 days with my ads with this new store that I'm testing. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. So what is happening is first day with this store I got 4 sales. That was good, kind of good sign. And with this store my average video watch time is over 14 seconds, guys. So 14 seconds, that's mad, that's very good. And my average click-through rate is 4%. So amount of people click on my ad and open it full screen is 4%, and around 4 to 5%. And my average link click-through rate, how many people go to my website after they open the ad, it's above 3%. So that's mad. People engaging with my video ads because I break down how other people in my niche that I'm currently in doing their video ads, and I just did what they are doing, just little bit better with some competitive research, the tools I use. And then I wrote a good ad copy with the help of my mentor. He told me with my last product, he was your ad copy and your product description isn't that good. You still write good, but it can be much better. So that's what I did. I write a better ad copy. I try to talk to the customers with their perspective. I try to put myself in their shoes. And then I went to Amazon and I found the same product. And then from the Amazon one thing that gives you, down below in the website before the reviews, there was a box, and the box is most used words that customer have used for this product. So you get those keywords and use it in your ad copy, thumbnail, or product description. Just try to sell the customers benefits. Nobody care about the features, just sell the benefits. What's in it for them? People are selfish, so they want to say what's in it for me. I don't want to know about the features. I don't want to know how heavy, I don't know how heavy it is, or I don't know how lightweight it is, or what color. I don't care about this stuff. So that's what I did, guys. So second day, which was yesterday, I got around 5 sales. 5 sales. First day was 4 sales, second day was 5 sales, and today is the third day. And so in today we got around 4 sales as well. So I have around 3,075% video viewers and 2,095% video viewers. I launched my 95% lookalikes 2 hours ago, something like that, and I scheduled them to run at 2 a.m. So they're gonna run in 9 minutes. Currently it's 1:51 a.m. And I what I did was I was testing ABOs, ad set level budget, and I tested 7 ad sets, $50 a day, and all of the ad sets got sale except one of them, and that one I turned it off yesterday, but the rest of them were profitable, and I waited till today to turn off the ad sets that aren't performing well, which I did. I turned off 4 ad sets. The other ad sets, they gave me over 2 ROAS, and my break-even ROAS with this product is 1.2 and a half. We say 1.3. So I'm currently with some ad sets, I'm at 7, not 7 guys, 5 ROAS, and some of them have 2 or 3 ROAS. So they are profitable, and the profitable ad sets, what I did was I duplicate them 5 times in the CBO campaign, and I just give it 100-day budget. I just did it just 10 minutes ago, so I see how that performs. If it performs it, I'm just gonna up the budget in the CBO. So what I did with this strategy was to reach more ad pockets in that ad set. I didn't turn off the ad set that was profitable in my ABU. I didn't up the budget as well. I just let it be because that's profitable. I don't want to mess with that. I just let that be, but I duplicate that ad set 5 times into a new campaign, into CBO campaign this time, and and this time I just gave the budget $100 at the beginning to see how it performs. And besides that, I launched my 95% lookalike audiences as well, and I turned off the like bad ad sets in my ABO testing campaign as well. And so at the moment in my ABO I have around 4 ad sets, and then 5 ad sets in 95% lookalike audiences, 1%, 1 to 2%, 2 to 3%, 3 to 4%, and 4 to 5%. And then I have my CBO scaling campaign as well. So guys, we see how it goes. Like with this product, from the first day I was profitable with this, and we see how it goes. Like one thing was I had a meeting with my mentor today, and with our call we went to the store, and like the one thing with my store was like people add to cart from the ratio add to, like my add to cart ratio is 11% or something like that, we say, and season converted is around 6%. So I try to like minimize that, from add to cart to checkout. So I try to like test like what apps can I use, or what can I do to make more add to carts to convert, so just people add to cart, they initiate checkout, but then they purchase. I can show you like in my ads manager, right? I can show you how many people added to cart, how many people, I just can tell you in a second. Okay, test ABO. Okay, so basically 32 people added to cart. Of 32 people that added to cart, 24 people went to initiate a checkout. Of these 24 people, 12 people purchased. 13 people purchased, guys, I'm sorry. 13 people purchased. So I try to minimize that. So what I did was, with my in my product description, instead for like drop down menu, I put them like instead for drop down menu I just put them like in the like, what the name, I'm sorry, I don't remember. I'm just going to check, just 1 second. Product page. Oh yes, variant picker type. I instead for drop down I choose button. So with button they're like separated, so people can just choose it. They don't need to like click on drop down button and open it and click on that again. I just try to make it easier. And in my add to cart page, I added the countdown timer, and this isn't a scam countdown timer. This countdown timer says like at the above add to cart page I say use code YouTube 10 in the checkout to get 10% off. And beside that there's a time that says like this discount's gonna be available only in 5 minutes. So that's gonna like make some scarcity and make them to check out, and that's I got like one sale after that, and it was like end of the night, so no more sales. So I think this gonna boost my purchase, like make more people to convert. So guys, that's basically it. Like I'm pretty happy with this product. I think tomorrow we're gonna hit 1K with this product, so that's pretty nice. So I can show you tomorrow as well, but hopefully. So take care, guys.